Today we will discuss the steps required for the mandatory software update of TeeJet Technologies SCM Pro. The SCM Pro is the steering controller for FieldPilot Pro or Unipilot Pro. This update is required for SCM Pro units shipped prior to January 1st, 2019 from a TeeJet Technologies factory. The update addresses a GPS week rollover issue detailed in Bulletin 98-01552. If the SCM Pro units are not updated before April 7th of 2019, all auto steering functions will cease to function. The new software version is 4.4.34165. The older generations of FieldPilot are unaffected by this update. Please follow along using Bulletin 98-01519. All related bulletins and software are located at TeeJet's website under Tech Support. Again, please follow along using Bulletin 98-01519. This video will begin at Step 5 of that bulletin. Also note the software update file should reside at a known location on your PC and should be roughly 24 megabytes in size. We will begin now. Please power on the TeeJet matrix display that is connected to the SCM Pro. Once the unit has powered up, please allow an additional 30 seconds before beginning. For this update, I will be using Google Chrome. I will enter into the URL 10.1.1.1. Once entering the update, locate System, locate Software Update, browse to where the file is stored on your machine. At this point, we are ready to upgrade the SCM Pro. Please note that we need consistent power supply to the vehicle that the update is being performed on. Avoid starting the engine, as that drop in voltage could affect the power supply to the SCM Pro. Maintain the Ethernet and all cabling to the SCM Pro. At this point, we will begin the upgrade. The upgrade will take roughly 8 minutes, and the update will have progression as it moves through the process. Now that the update is complete, you may disconnect from the URL, power down the matrix display. The next time the matrix is powered, please confirm the proper profile is selected for the vehicle in use and begin the processes to use FieldPilot Pro or Unipilot Pro. Thank you.